guys, welcome to another wonderful course of mrlopezclasses.com. This is the course of composite materials, marine composite materials. I hope you enjoy this course. This is a special class. This is the last course of our program. Our program finished in composite materials. I recommend when you follow my courses, when you follow my classes, follow the order that I recommend. And this is the order. The first course that I recommend is Intro to Marine course. The second course that I recommend is Basic Electricity, DC current. Number 3 is Advanced Electricity, AC current, that course. After that, I recommend the course of Electronics, Marine Electronics. After that, you can take the course of Auxiliary Systems, Marine Systems. After that, you can take the course of Air Condition, Marine Air Condition Systems. Next, I recommend gasoline, marine gasoline engines, inboards and outboards. Transmissions, marine transmissions for inboards and outboards. Diesel engines, marine diesel engines. Great course, it's a big course. In some cases, we divided in diesel 1 and diesel 2, diesel engines. After that, corrosion, marine corrosion. And this one is the last one, marine composite materials. Yes, when you study all the topics recommended in this program, this is the last part. If you remember, in our previous course of corrosion, we analyzed the materials in organic materials, inorganic materials, and the inorganic materials are divided on metals and non-metals, and the organic materials is the topic of this class. Is basically the study of carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, and oxygen. Everything around carbon, organic materials. Yes, we are going to study organic materials, and basically in this class we are going to study the fiberglass, the carbon fibers, and the glues recommended in marine applications, in the fabrication of boats, and why the combination of some inorganic materials with some metals is not recommended. This is a practical class. This is a class specific for marine engineers, for marine technicians. Okay, we are going to review a lot of concepts of chemistry, basic chemistry, about organic chemistry, in order to understand the different type of polymers, the resins, and how the resins and the polymers work together, the carbon fiber, the fiberglass, and the procedure to do reparations with the fiberglass and carbon fiber. Yes, this is the wonderful part of this class. We are going to learn the procedure to laminate the fiberglass and the procedure to make big reparations. We are going to cut the stringers in a boat, and we are going to fabricate the new stringers in a boat. And also with the transom, we are going to cut the transom, and we are going to fabricate the transom outside with foam, with metal, with plywood, and after that we are going to put it back the transom, and we are going to glue the transom through with the hole. We are going to reinforce the transom inside of the boat with the stringers, and at the end we are going to paint the boat and polish the boat properly. Yes, we are going to work in a lot of boats with Mr. Rodriguez, with Danny Rodriguez, and we are going to work also with aluminum boats. With Mr. Rodriguez, we are going to sand an airboat, and we are going to apply a special cover and a special coat for aluminum airboats. It's a wonderful project. Yes, and we are going to work with the specialists the fabrication of swing platforms, in aluminum swing platforms. We are going to take the measurements recommended according with the length of the boat, and we are going to fabricate swing platforms. We are going to replace those all swing platforms in wood recovered with fiberglass, and we are going to fabricate swing platforms in aluminum with the Kiki, other excellent welder specialized in aluminum welding procedures. This is a wonderful class. We hope you enjoy this class the same like we enjoy preparing this course for you.